Welcome to Midwest Hunting and Outdoors. In this episode, we're going to be doing an unboxing on the AGM thermal scope varmint. Stay tuned.
Hi, this is Tim and Joel. Welcome to Midwest Hunting and Outdoors by Two Dumbasses,
A podcast about the outdoors, hunting,
and being a steward of the land.
Hi everybody, welcome to Midwest Hunting and Outdoors by Two Dumbasses. In this episode, we're going to be taking you through just an unboxing on the AGM varmint thermal scope. I've been watching these for quite some time, and I finally decided to pull the trigger. And what I ended up purchasing was a varmint, an AGM varmint Scope-50-384. 50 being optical view, and the 384 being pixels. And so what I wanted to do is just kind of take you through, not my rationale for what I bought, but actually just take you through what do you get. So I just received this yesterday, and going through the box, got a nice carrying case. Part of the deal that I received on mine was, hey, if I bought this online, I did not have to pay any taxes. And also they threw in another 2 rechargeable lithium 18650 batteries and a 4-pack charger. This is roughly, depending on the type of batteries that you're purchasing, anywhere from $25 to $30. So just from a value perspective. Also, since I bought it online, and the company that I purchased it from, which I'll, if you're interested in that, contact me on email or give me a ping and we'll talk. But email would be my preferred, and I'd tell you what exactly I paid for this. So opening up this carrying case, got the owner's card. I ended up buying this from PredatorHunterOutdoors.com. They ended up sending me a target to sight it in, invoice, a little thank you letter is also what to do if there was a defect. The one thing from Predator Outdoors, when I purchased this, I would tell you email wise, they kept me abreast every step of the way where my order was at. So my order came in 2 parts. I received this in one order, and I received this in my second order. Before I go into the camera, let's go in to see what else they sent me. Sent me a shoulder strap for the carrying case. It also came with a recharger or a charger for the lithium batteries, 18650s. And then these are all international accessories if you're traveling internationally, and how to plug these in. I'm probably not going to need those, but it's nice to have. We'll put those back. Comes with the manual. Comes with a charge cord for your camera, a scope cloth. Here is a electronic charger for this if you want to just plug directly in. It came with 2 18650 lithium rechargeable batteries. Came with this beautiful scope. The nice thing about this, again, I'm not going to go into great detail. It really only has 3 electronic controls that you deal with from a menu perspective, and then obviously your manual fine tuning. What else? Also, another thing that attracted me to this is in here, they provide you all what you need to mount your scope to your gun. So the other nice thing about this scope is it's got a quick disconnect. Again, I'm not going to go into all the features that this has in this episode, but in future episodes we'll go through that and you'll learn as I learn. But really nice, really nice. This was the best deal I had seen in some time. And again, if you want to know my price, just let me know, drop me an email. But that's all I had from an unboxing perspective. I thought very professional, and felt like I got a good price on this. So our email is midwesthuntingandoutdoors@gmail.com. Until next time, be safe, have fun, and get outdoors.
Desperado, sitting in a old Monte Carlo, a man inside his hollow.